Make a great choice today with the 1999 Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, 6-way power driver's seat, 4-wheel ABS, power door locks, daytime running lamps, remote trunk release, tinted glass, rear-wheel drive, limited slip differential. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.